Scotty, I'm coming to you.
But execution of the following instructions.
I'll mark it for you. Here you go.
The spirit.
Here you go, Scotty. Yo. Yo, is Scotty the only person not with us?
Nearby. Gather them to ascertain the location of the lost
Yeah.
pages of the
Okay, well.
and Kandarian
Maybe he'll see me running around with this fucking axe.
I mean,
Where are we going? Oh, we're going to the piece?
fire tower.
Okay.
Well, dude, I don't see another place to loot that I was spawned at, so, yeah.
Okay, cool. No worries.
Another
hit.
chainsaw.
Ooh. Well, I don't want that. I got a lumberjack axe.
I guess I can cut through radio tower and see if there's a box or two along the way.
Exactly. And I'll stick with you so I can get my fear lower.
Yeah, that's what's great about this character.
Right? I don't see any boxes. Not yet.
I don't either. I got 2 amulets out of here.
Oh, nice.
I'm not liking this.
I'm not either. Sometimes you get like no boxes, dude. It's so crazy.
Yeah, it's because the map's more toward the demon.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I played one game, and I don't remember what map it was, but we got one box. Oh, here's a box. 2 boxes in here. 2 boxes right here, my dudes.
Got a white one.
White one over here, too.
Better. Stronger.
Oh,
Another
that's my first
chainsaw,
one, shit.
damn. Blunderbuss right here. Ooh, a shimps. Nice.
I got a personal one as well.
Hell yeah, you gotta have a personal shimps, my dude.
I'll pick up a revolver.
Alright, fire tower it is.
Did you say there was another chest out here?
No, just the 2. I saw the 2. I marked the other one. There's 2 inside that cabin we were in. There's one right inside the door.
Oh, okay. I didn't go toward it. That's
No worries. Alright, I'm over here.
I'll be that way in a second.
No worries. I've been jumping back when I kill these deadites, forgetting that we just got done playing Elagos.
Right.
Damn, I'm still not seeing too many crates, y'all.
One down.
I'm taking a sword.
No worries.
I got a crate to top this tower.
You.
It's only white though.
Okay, cool.
There's a blue one up here too. What the fuck? You're all the way around this bitch to get to it though.
Where are you?
Top of the tower.
Oh, is the piece up there?
Syringes. No.
Alright.
I could never
I got
get enough
syringes
of
now,
these.
my dude.
Haha, nice. Oh, that's what you wanted, right?
Yep. I got a pair of blue syringes.
Oh, damn. That's the one. Alright, cool.
Alright, I'm gonna go down toward these buildings down here.
Oh yeah. That's the good stuff.
I don't like that.
What?
How far you're having to look around to get to this.
I'm telling you, bro. I feel you on that. I did find a couple shimps, though.
Vitamins. It's time.
I'm maxed out on ships, so if y'all can carry them, just
Yeah,
carry
yeah, I'll
them.
carry
I
them.
got you, son.
We should have gone into that camp ourselves.
Sledgehammer in here if anybody wants it.
Negative. I'm running over this way. I see eyes on it.
Okay, cool.
I'll take it.
It's in this other fucking tower.
Yeah, I see it. Good call.
There's a white crate in the middle.
Alright, I'm coming
Here,
up
I'll
there.
go up in the tower. Oh, okay.
There is an amulet up here. That's on the outside.
hold the first piece of my map. A small but strong
What the hell?
I didn't see
It was
no
supposed
other.
to be a kill shot.
I think,
Said there's an amulet up there. Deadeye coming down at you.
Medication
coming down to me.
time.
I thought I
Let him
saw
come on
him.
down.
Oh, never mind. It might have been Scotty.
Yep.
All right.
Alright, so stamina's max, fear's going up.
Royal Oak Cemetery. Oh, that's close.
Huh.
Relatively.
Yeah, close enough
Look
to
at
fucking
this.
dead end. Alright. I'm heading that way.
Reloading.
Oh yes, please. Please come after me.
Oh, the demon's on you.
No, the NPC. Basically. These little trash minions that are running around.
Yeah, I got you.
Right, suckers.
Ship's right here.
Yep.
I'm not anywhere around you. If you guys can grab those, because I still have room for one.
All right, there's another
I'm-
one I marked. Did somebody grab it?
I'm 30 yards
I already
out.
jumped down.
Oh yeah, I got a mark right here. Somebody can grab it, I guess. All right, with this.
I'm
that's
full on
the way,
amulets
like,
too. Let me put one on, and I'll grab this one.
Amulet in here. too.
Amulet right here.
Your team
Got
now
it.
holds another piece
Put
of the
something
map.
on.
Keep it close
everybody.
and continue.
You know what? I'm just gonna take my shimps.
Chimps, man. Nothing comes close.
There we go. All right, dead end. Oh hell yeah.
Huh. Take a look at this.
What? Never saw a guy with a chainsaw hitting before? Watch this.
Send you dickwads back one by one if I have to.
I'm hanging out this one waiting for you guys because I'm not going to get in by myself.
No worries. I'll be there in 1 second. You got any long ammo?
I do not. Yeah, I do. 3.
Okay. I don't need it right now.
I
Bad.
dropped it already, so
Oh, okay.
I put a mark at it.
Okay. Oh
Didn't
shit.
mark it
Back there,
exactly,
yeah. I
but-
see it. I see it. Oh shit, it's way back there.
It's
Alright.
only 3 rounds, dude. So.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm not worried about it. I'll pick up more.
Oh, speaking of shimps, though, I grabbed an extra one here.
Hell yeah, I'm sitting on 3 myself. Pieces upstairs.
I'm back here with a healer.
The final piece has been collected.
Ship's
Pandaren
right here.
Dagger and the lost pages of the Necronomicon.
I'm reloading.
Kind of makes me wonder. You got. I was gonna say you full. Still nice.
Alright.
Nice. This guy's level 8.
Did I
Regular crate downstairs.
You got Claire's Pond.
Reloading.
Oh yeah, he's here.
Oh, here's that crate I was telling everybody about. That's probably a smart decision, Scotty. Let's get the hell out of here. I agree.
I concur. I'm out the door.
Let's get out of here before he fucks around and summons Henrietta.
Eat this.
Where to? Where we going?
Claire's Pond. Dagger. Henrietta's
Alright.
here.
Alright, get the
Well, I got me
car.
a car, so yeah.
Get the car, guys. Hell yeah.
Cannot get in the car because I'm not anymore near you.
Oh shit, y'all aren't. We're coming.
I'm taking one of these colas.
We're right here.
Oh shit! Thanks for making me turn around right into her.
I'm not driving.
Gassy bitch.
No, he's not in.
I'm not letting me in there. He's not gonna let me in there, dude. Are you still
may have to.
Go.
Alright. Oh shit.
Yeah,
Bro,
he's
you
not
barely
happy.
made it in.
Uh-huh. I'll take a personal on this one. So, that way you don't waste the cola.
Survivors have triggered collection of the Kandarian dagger. Congregate inside its aura to speed the process.
Goddamn Henrietta's still here.
I know, I don't know why, but I can't shoot. There we go. Damn, Scotty.
Get the fuck off.
Why don't you just leave it?
What's that?
Picks you up like a chest.
Obtain the Kandarian dagger, legendary artifact with power to burn undead flesh.
Go, somebody can pick up the ambulance and hold them. I'm maxed out.
Yeah, I'll hold them. I got 3 of them.
Dash incoming.
Shit, that's out.
Take the other one quick. Grab another amulet in here.
There's some stuff in here too. I picked up a shimp, so I'm sitting on 2 now. And I can't even carry any more amulets.
Okay,
I
that's
got
cool.
mine.
Alright, y'all ready?
Yep. Ready as can be. Alright. Come out to the front. Oh wait, this is, well, never mind. That chest.
There's another car over here.
There. Okay, we take this. Here, I'll drive, I guess.
Another car over here.
Yep.
Come on, Scotty.
Dang.
That one's busted.
Yep. There's one there. There's one right here. Struck. It ain't busted
It's
up
good.
yet.
It's getting ready to be though.
Alright.
I'm not having fun with him fooling around with us like this.
He's almost in, he's almost in. He's in!
Yep.
Shit.
And now,
It's done.
Damn it.
That's
There's
right.
a car right here.
I created
Car right
Alright,
here.
I'm following you guys.
I want to see this over here.
Everybody in? Everybody in? Alright, so you can't keep doing that. Oh shit, come on, Scotty.
yep. Misty Grove. dude's sweating, bro. I'm telling you.
Survivors have begun to collect the lost pages
Oh,
of
thank
the
you for the
Necronomicon.
buffs.
Be vigilant. Spirits of the book will stop at nothing to halt this process.
Try to save my ammo for that fat bitch when she gets here.
Buzz up.
Huh?
I said I put the buzz up again.
My friend.
I also have fast forward on this guy, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah. It's a good one. Alright, I'm dropping a shimps and 3 amulets.
Bring it up!
Here we go. Here's the drink.
There. I'll do the buzz again. He's done.
Here's the drink. Make sure. All right.
Using it.
That's another one. Here you go, bro.
The team has secured the lost pages of the Necronomicon,
God damn.
exceeding my expectations and giving hope to my lost soul.
If anybody has long ammo, now would be the best time to drop it.
Here, I got 6. That's all I can
The team has
give.
retrieved
Thank you.
the lost pages and
Yeah.
the
Anybody want these
dagger.
amulets or not? I need to pick
Use
them
them
up.
Yeah,
to
I'm gonna-
put an end to the darkness.
I got a pistol on the ground.
I'll take it.
We gotta get the fuck out of here.
Alright,
Oh,
I'm
I'll
gonna
take
grab some
that.
of this ammo.
Point and shoot, I guess.
That is my... Hey, somebody pick up the handgun ammo for me, please.
Right to
I got it in my
Damn, this
hand.
is my shot.
You're welcome.
Yes, thank you.
I can't get to that long because the car's on it.
Here, I'll move it.
I'll collect it for now.
Oh,
okay?
shit,
No,
we gotta
go.
go. Here, come on.
I'm in! Go, 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 go!
I'm trying.
Shit, we're all dead.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
900 yards away from the fucking... What the shit? How are you supposed to beat that?
You're not.
Oh my god. What a lucky ass demon, bro.
We took too long. should've
We
just got in the
did,
car
but it
and
was
rolled.
900 yards. Come on. Jeez. Damn it, guys. Oh well.
Truly
It
sorry
happens.
for the devastation
That's
I've
hilarious.
caused.
That's a lucky win
Failure
by
to
that
close
demon,
the
y'all
rift
dudes.
is not your burden to bear. It
GG's,
is
GG's.
simply the end.